cats are a little bit different personality than dogs, you know, and they're not really a huge source of comfort to you, particularly somebody like Frances, who is extraordinarily independent and really does what she wants to do when she wants to do it. But she amuses me because of her independence. I like the way she struts around and, you know, claims her territory. So yeah, it's a good distraction. She loves every minute of it, and you know, she has found her favorite places. You know, she really likes to be under furniture now, so she's under the couch, under the bed. But you know, the biggest problem for me is I can't find her. You know, because there's so much space to circle around, and I can't hear her depending upon how far away from me she is. But I think she's adjusted remarkably well, and I think the fact that it is so large has sort of ameliorated the problem of going outside. That there are just plenty of places to explore in the house.